What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Tommy's Kitchen. And today, as I promised, today we are going to be making some marshmallow fluff. So surprisingly, when I was doing my research, that there's actually no marshmallows in it. We got 3 egg whites, 2 cups of corn syrup, half a teaspoon of regular salt, 2 cups of this powdered baking sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And also, of course, we have our mason jar for when we are finished. So, start things off. This recipe is very simple. We are going to be trying a little different angle today when we're doing it, when we're making the actual thing. Let me know if you guys like that in the comment section down below. And maybe, if you would like to see shorter cooking videos. I don't know if you guys would like to see that. Kind of the style of what you see maybe on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, something like that. Something a little bit more quick, but I sort of kind of like the way we kind of normally do it. But if you guys would like to see shorter videos, maybe I can try and make that happen. I'm not the greatest at making things quick and to the point, but with that being said, let's get started. Alrighty guys, this is the different angle that we're going to be using today. Let me know again if you like it in the comment section down below. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take in your 3 egg whites, dump that in there. Then you want to take your salt, dump that bad boy in there. Then you want to take your corn syrup and dump that in there. It is kind of thick, so hopefully it's not that bad to come out. Okay. That came out a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Let this drain out a little bit. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do now is you're going to want to put, once this, is done coming out, you're going to want to put your blender down, put it on the high setting, and you want to let that go for about 5 minutes until it doubles in volume, or until it doubles in volumes in size. And this looks like it's going to be done, so let's get started with that, and then we'll pick things back up after 5 minutes of it blending. Alrighty, you guys, so as you can see, it is doubled in size. So now the next thing you're going to want to do is, look at it, it looks really good. Next thing you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to throw your powdered sugar in there. Your 2 cups of powdered cooking sugar. Okay, so now the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put it back in and put it on low and just let the sugar kind of blend in with the fluff. So we'll let that go. We'll let that blend in together, and then we'll pick things back up when we're done. Alrighty, you guys. So our sugar is now blended in. We're going to open this thing back up again. And the last thing you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to put in your vanilla and then put it back on low until the vanilla blends in together. And then once it's blended, you're all done. Alright, it's done. Alrighty guys, so now our fluff is done. You want to undo your thing here. You want to get a close-up of it. this. How do I get it?
You have to twist it. You have to...
Come on. There we go. Okay. Okay, so let's give this thing a try.
Wait, don't you want to take that out?
Here's our fluff here. It actually tastes really good. It literally tastes like marshmallows, and there's not a single marshmallow in here. So now the next challenge is we're going to have to somehow get this into there. And we'll pick things back up when we're finished. Alrighty guys, so this is how you make your good old-fashioned fluff. The one thing that I just want to mention before we end the video, what inspired me to kind of make the peanut butter and the fluff and then the jam, is that for the past year, I've been listening to this book series called Expeditionary Force. And one of the main character, Joe Bishop, one of his favorite things to eat are fluffernutters. So that's kind of what inspired me to do the peanut butter and this and also the jam. And so the next video you see, which hopefully will be next week, unless something comes up, will be how to make sandwich bread. So that is one that I'm definitely looking forward to making as well. And one final note, when I was doing my research, I did notice that a lot of people around the world can't get fluff in the stores. So I hope this recipe helps you guys out on making it homemade. I'm sure it tastes better than the one from the store anyway, just because it's homemade. So with that being said, that wraps up today's episode of Timely's Kitchen. If you like this video, please be sure to smash that like button. And if you want to see more videos like these, please consider subscribing. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!